Good afternoon, friends, and welcome to the mid-market update. Today, another stellar opening after the exit polls, which were announced yesterday night, showed that the BJP is kind of the major gainer in almost 4 out of 5 states. We have Chhattisgarh, MP, and Rajasthan mostly on the BJP's winning side. Just need to be watch out on the Delhi, where the Aam Aadmi Party might kind of be a spoil sport and maintain a big kingmaker space. So need to watch out whether it's a hung assembly or it goes in the kind of BJP's favor. So if it does go in the BJP side, especially the New Delhi, that means 4 out of 5 is a clean sweep for BJP, and it raises the kind of the expectation of Modi as the Prime Minister for the general elections which happens in the April 2014. Now this has led to various broking houses like the international houses like CLSA, Nomura, Morgan Stanley raising the kind of nifty target, especially raising hopes that if Modi does come into power, there would be a lot of more kind of improvement on the growth side as well as the economic side, mostly on the infrastructure as well as the industrial. So we're seeing kind of good kind of upside happening in the kind of banking space, especially in the private banks. ICICI Bank 6.5% up, Axis Bank 4% up. Even SBI, which had been a kind of a slow mover, has kind of gone up today to almost 2.5%. And various broking houses has kind of raised the target price for SBI to 2,200. From current levels. So all in all, it has been one of the best days for the market, especially when we saw some lackluster trading session happening in the previous couple of sessions. So we have the final results coming out on the 8th, that is Sunday. So till then, but this exit poll, which is kind of opinion amongst the voters, has almost been accurate. The past history has shown. So keeping hopes, it has been again on the Congress on the losing side. There's a lot of groundwork need to be done on the Congress government when the opposition is kind of gaining ground. Today it was the first day of the winter session, and it looks about got adjourned because of the arbitrary reasons. There are a couple of bills that needs to be passed. One is the Lokpal bill and one's women's reservation bill. If it does, then Congress might kind of get a foothold, stating that they have done some kind of work. Coming back to the mid caps, it's not kind of moving that much compared to the large cap. It's just basically the large cap pharmas are losing strides. Dr. Reddy, Ranbaxy, all defensive are taking a kind of setback, as we are seeing some high beta stocks gaining momentum like power, industrials. We also have banking, mid-cap banking like Yes Bank, which is up by almost 6% today, one of the strongest mid-cap banking counter. Even after this strength shown in the Nifty, we are seeing some same strength in the Forex market, where a kind of rupee is trading at 61.55 versus the US dollar. So that's one of the very good news for the market, because rupee depreciating is one of the biggest worry for the Indian economy. That's all the news and updates we have. We'll keep on updating, and please check it back on the post market. Thanks.